First day with his boots in the water. What you doing, son? What's that? Have you ever had those boots on before? What's that? Oh wow, those boots are really working good, huh? Now, you want this more water coming? Whoa, look at you standing up. Wow. Oh, what are you doing? That's not really the way. Oops. Oh, you want those off? Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. You take them off, okay? Yeah, once they get water in them, they don't really work that well. I wish I had the power, son. Power to change the world, but you're just one boy trying to do it all right. Now, what are you saying? Wow, you're getting wet. It's cold and windy day. Sambo, my little fun ball. So he wished he had the power. Son, how old are you? How old are you? Say it upside down. Here's the right side. Hey, son. Sambo. You're gonna get soaked in. It's kind of a cloudy day. It's kind of cloudy today, son. Cloudy day. And you are getting soaked, so wet, and you're going in the water. This has been the first rainy day, and I don't think he hasn't been out in it much, so. Oh, he's eating a rock. What, do you think I'm gonna say okay? Eat a rock? His mother would not approve if his mother was here. Right, son? Would your mother approve? He doesn't talk much. Wish I had the power. Found a grape. Great. Man, you're soaked, son. What is your mother gonna say? She's gonna say, you're frozen.